Are you a teen or student looking to make some extra cash? In this video, we'll explore over 20 creative ways for you to earn money in really lucrative ways. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or social media management, there are plenty of freelance opportunities available for teens and students. You can showcase your skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even through your own website. Next, consider starting a small online business. This could be anything from selling homemade crafts on Etsy to dropshipping products through a website or social media page. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and create products that resonate with your target audience. If you're passionate about a particular subject, creating and selling digital products like ebooks, printables, or online courses can be a great way to generate passive income. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy to create and sell digital products to a global audience. Don't overlook the power of social media. You can make money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even by creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Building a strong personal brand and engaging with your audience can open up a world of opportunities for monetization. Consider offering tutoring or academic support services to other students. Whether it's in person or online, sharing your knowledge can be both rewarding and profitable. Event planning and coordination for small gatherings or parties can also be a lucrative side hustle. If you have a knack for organizing and coordinating, offering your services as an event planner can help you earn some extra cash while having fun. If you're fluent in a second language, consider offering language tutoring or conversation practice for non-native speakers. Many people are looking to improve their language skills, and you can help them while earning money at the same time. Finally, if you have a talent for art or design, consider creating and selling custom artwork or digital designs. Platforms like Etsy, Society6, and Redbubble make it easy to showcase and sell your creations to a global audience. That's it, tulips. I really hope you found something that clicks with you and makes you earn those extra bucks. Remember to stay disciplined and passionate about everything you do. See you in the next video. Bye.